Hello everyone. Well, we've already been seeing some rain in northwest Indiana early this morning, and the chance is going to continue throughout the day. Now, I'm starting the model at 9 a.m. this morning because at 9 a.m. I still think it's just isolated showers and maybe a weak storm, but more probably dry than seeing rain. However, after 9 a.m., I think the activity is going to be increasing. So as far as the wettest period of the day, it's looking like the late morning through the early afternoon hours. So that means there's going to be a true peak in the activity that's probably going to be around noon. That's probably when activity is going to be most widespread. Now, it's mostly going to be showers, but storms and spots. Not worried about any severe storms, but heavy rain and lightning, yes, that will be around today. Notice the chance of rain is still good at 3 o'clock, but after 3 o'clock, I think we're really going to start to see those rain chances die down. We've also got to talk about temperatures today, because look at high temperatures, only in the mid 70s, about 10 degrees below normal. Also, not going to be much wind around this afternoon, so it's a shame that we're dealing with all this rain, because otherwise it would be a fantastic day. Temperatures in the 70s. Now, look what happens when we jump ahead to 6 o'clock. So the late afternoon hours are looking drier than the early afternoon. We're transitioning back to isolated showers and weak storms. And then by the time we get to 9 o'clock, we're just talking about a shower or two still being around. That said, I think there's going to be an extended period of time where there could be a shower or two around. For the rest of the evening through the overnight hours, a stray shower could pop up here or there, but the chance of rain is real low after 9 o'clock. And by the time we get to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, all those stray showers will be gone. So it is looking like a dry morning commute for Monday morning. And I think Monday afternoon, it's going to be nice. We're going to start with partly cloudy skies in the morning, but eventually skies are going to become sunny in the afternoon. We're looking at high temperatures in the low to mid 80s in most locations, maybe a few spots right next to the lake, only topping out in the 70s. A little more wind than today, but not too much. Just a light breeze, gusts around 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. So how much rain are we going to see? That's a little bit tricky because it's going to depend on if you get a thunderstorm or not. So I tell you what, what's probably going to be the most common rainfall total that we're going to see in the region is going to be about a half an inch. If you don't see a thunderstorm, though, and you're just dealing with some light to moderate showers, we're only talking about a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch. If you do get a thunderstorm, you're probably going to see about an inch of rain. And if you get two thunderstorms, and you get right under those thunderstorms, then we're talking about 2 inches of rain, but that's only going to be in a couple of spots. Now, normally, wouldn't be concerned about a chance for flooding with just 2 inches of rain, but because we've already seen about an inch of rain in some spots, if we get 2 inches to fall on top of those 1 inch totals, then we're talking about overall rainfall totals of 3 inches of rain. And when you get to that 3-inch threshold, that's when we start to see a few flooded roads in low-lying and poorly drained locations. So it is certainly not going to be widespread, but I do have to keep a small chance in there for flooding today.